You gonna smile for us? Yes, you can give us a smile. Give us a big smile. Give us a big smile. Smile. How are you doing today? Did you sleep good last night? You did? Well, good. We slept good too. Could we sleep some more? I'm ready for a nap when you are, little boy. Yes, I am. I'm ready for a nap when you are. Who's that doggy? That's a doggy. She sees something at the window. That's a neighbor going to work. Yes. Yes, you hear the doggy? What do you think of that dog? Yeah? You like Karma? You like the doggy?